So if you've been looking for acreage, privacy, and a lakefront property here at Lake of the Ozarks, this one is really something special. This property sits on over 5.5 acres. It's tucked away in these beautiful trees all around me with a 2-bedroom home that sits on top of a very large 3-car garage and a large detached shop just right behind you here with its own fully outfitted apartment. And that was built in 2022. And here's the kicker. You've got your own code-protected lakefront here with a private 2-well dock. Just a quick golf cart ride down this path over here and you're down there. Privacy and flexibility are the keys here. It feels like you're out in the country, but you're really just a couple of minutes from town. There's a grocery store just right down the road here. We're at the 35-mile marker of the Osage Arm. We're at Wading Bird in Camdenton, Missouri. So please come on and let's take a look. So here we are down at the lakefront part of this property. It's absolutely beautiful down here. I hear the fishing down here is fantastic. If you'd like to take a private tour of this beautiful Camdenton Lake of the Ozarks property, give me a call at the Fran Campbell team, 573-302-2390.